Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix mobile hotspot not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart icon. Again click on restart. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open quick settings panel and turn on hotspot mode and turn off. Turn on or turn off hotspot 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so check your internet connection is work properly. Internet connection is not work properly, so move from your area. After move area, you will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see reset all settings. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.